1991 Mercedes-Benz 420 SEL Sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. 57,542 is all on the odometer at the moment. 4.2 liter, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's cold, heat blows hot. California car much of its life. As you can see, black exterior, Palomino leather interior, and we're going to check that out in just a bit. First, let's take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlights, of course, with the wipers on them. Awesome German luxury car. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Now, there is a folder of miscellaneous receipts as far as service, parts, things that have been done to this car in the last mostly 5 to 6 years of what's in that folder. A well-maintained car, there's no doubt about that. The wheels were redone. I noticed a receipt for that, and they're in very nice shape, radial tires. Now, as far as the black paint, it's black paint. You're going to have a scuff, a nick. It's going to show. I mean, the car, we're coming up on 34, 35 years old. It is black, but at the same time, don't get me wrong, it's got a nice shine to it, as you can see on the hood. Also, power sunroof that is working. We're going to get around to the interior, check that out a little closer. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see that's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. The side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of window tint that you can have. Take a look at the undersides. Like I said, this car spent the majority of its life in California. Take a look at how clean the undersides are. I did notice there's a little touch-up right back here, a little bit of corrosion right there. That's really all I've noticed on this car, besides, like I said, the black paint. Sometimes, showing imperfections a little easier than some of the lighter colors, obviously. All right, in the still pictures, you're also going to be able to see some of these extra parts that will come with it. There's also a service manual, as you can see. This is the folder I was talking about. The owner's manuals are with it. There's the little tool apron. So that will all go back in the car, go along with it. Any questions on any of that stuff, call a sales associate and discuss what goes with it with them if you have any questions on things that you see in the still pictures. And that number is 507-386-1726. And again, all those still pictures can be seen at Unique Classic Cars. A little touch up right back here on the deck lid too, if you can see that. All right, a few things the tech noted on this one that took a look at it. Brakes are 80% in the front, 50% in the rear. The exhaust is complete from front to rear. It does have catalytic converters. Drivetrain, minor seeps, what you'd expect on a vehicle that is driven, and granted it's a 1991, nothing out of the ordinary. And then again, all those miscellaneous receipts. It does have an ABS light, intermittent, did not affect the drivability of the car at all. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Tell you what these cars cost new compared to what you can buy one for now, how they go down the road, they still ride out nice and tight. A great driving car, smooth handling, awesome for taking some longer road trips, no doubt about that. And as you can see, driver's side also really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You can see the reflection of the wall and cars behind you there. Let's take a peek in this back seat too. I want to show you how nice and roomy these are. And again, the condition of this interior. Door panels look great. Leather. It doesn't hardly look like this back seat's been sat in. Of course, headliner also in good shape. Listen to that door close. You can definitely tell a nicely built Mercedes. German engineering. If you've owned one, you know what I'm talking about. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I want to let you hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. Radio is working in this one, wipers, windows, all of that. All right, so there's your exact miles, 57,542. I mentioned that intermittent ABS light. Again, doesn't affect the drivability of the car. Rest of the gauge is working. Power sunroof is obviously working. I have that open. AC blows cold. You have your climate control down here. Factory radio. And for what it's worth. Nice sounding at that too, especially 1991. So you have memory seating, power seat on the passenger side, as well as driver's side. Power antenna is working. Go ahead and pop that hood so we can check that out. And this thing runs quiet for a 4.2 liter. Let's take a listen. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that is a lot of bang for the buck, this one would have to be on the list. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood open, check out that engine bay. Look how nice and clean and tidy that hood liner is. There it is, that V8 power, 4.2 liter. And once again, all your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's cold. Very stock looking engine compartment. And again, regularly maintained. A lot of stuff has been done in the past 5 years. There's a folder of the receipts. And yeah, it definitely shows on this one. Newer battery was installed in it. I believe that's just a few years old. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, that number, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Again, look at the underside. Clean Carfax, 1991 Mercedes-Benz 420 SCL sedan. Good looking car. Stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1991 Mercedes 460, and this car feels very nice, very new. Nice tight feel. All the surfaces are looking great in my opinion. This is an automatic on the center console. We've got leather bucket seats, black on what you call a tan or saddle interior. That looks very good. The blower motor is working, the wipers are working. Our turn signal works as it should. Nice, quiet, smooth running machine. The temperature on the gauge is reading 80 degrees Celsius, and the fuel gauge is a half a tank. Oil pressure is up at the 3, which is the top number, and that's good. High oil pressure is usually good. Speedometer is working as it should, the tachometer also. And we are clock equipped. Right under the tach is a clock. Factory stereo works well. Another perfectly timed song. Nice sounding stereo. It is really refined and quiet and easy to drive. Just what you want in a Mercedes. Brakes also nice and smooth. Under that speedometer there is an exterior temperature indicator showing 58 degrees Fahrenheit in Minnesota today. It is a cool day in Minnesota. Corners nicely, stays fairly flat in the corners, but just enough lean to give you that luxurious feel. I am 6'1" and I fit very well in this car. Comfortable front and back seating. Bring all your friends with you. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1991 Mercedes 460 at uniqueclassiccars.com.